He's trying to get it on down there.
Yeah. Ngayon, nagpapakain si Kira ng ano. Nagsilabasan na lahat yung mga... Kanina wala kang makikita. Tapos ngayon, ang dami na nila. Right? They're eating the croissant.
I think they will like the croissant.
I think they love what's that?
Hey, wait, missus.
Oh, the small fish get taking the bread there. Look.
Fish,
Croissant. Oh, no, don't go there. There's big fish there. Look.
bread. How about the crust?
Oh, no more.
But then I left.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I saw a cherry.
Need umbrella.
Oh, hello guys. Fish. Oh, fishy. Croissant there. Hey, come back. There's croissants over there.
Sit down.
Is there more we can feed them?
Your croissant.
No, I think I have enough. I think they should have enough to feed. Maybe it's time to eat for us.
Maybe we can give your croissant as well.
No, don't.
Oh, no, don't go there. See, they are waiting for your food again.
Sorry, but no more.
Sorry, but no more.
Oh, they have one too.
How about the crackers? Do you want to give them the crackers?
Which crackers?
We can have the crackers here. How about this cracker?
Yeah, good idea. Because I never had one.
Can you sit down, please?
Come back. Okay. Now.
Don't give them just a piece. Small piece. Small piece. Yeah. Not that too big. Ah, the fish, got it. Oh. Bye. That's big fish.
Here. That's big.
You give a very big piece. That's a small piece, so you can feed them all.
Hey, wait. Hey.
Sa Pinas pa yan naubos na yung ano, yung isdang yan. Dalag. Ang lalaki.
More. I think they want more.
Wait, ate, I'll give you. Here.
A jump. Oh, come back.
Come back.
I don't think I hear me. Once.
Going out already.
Why?
Before there's only one, right? Only one turtle. But when they know that you will feed them, then they all come out. Oh, that's very big, Kira. It's a small fish only.
Oh, there's another small piece there. I see them. This.
Yeah.
Two pieces for everyone that. Oi! Hello, fish. Want this? Hey, get away. Hey, mister. A fish. No. I need one more. One more turtles. A big cracker. Would you like?
No.
Oh,
Croquette.
crooked, yeah.
Yeah. It's raining and we're feeding the turtle and the fish here.
Comes. Fish, fish.
They are all here, Kira. That goose is not alive. I'll give her. That's too big, please. There. They are all now good. Okay, let's go to the city now. Take your cross, please. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, turtle and fish. Yeah, but we need to up this rain first. We'll wait till the rain will come. All stop. Okay, you sit down there, on the other side.
Let's go have some.
Ayan, may waterfalls na dito. Maliit. Parang yung nasa kabila lang. Yung pamalaki. Stay there, I will take your photo. There, stay there. Wait here. Shorter. Going back there. Come. Ang ganda pala dito, no? Kainan siguro to. Kira! Kira! Maganda talaga siya. Tembuso? What is tembuso? Huh? We're going there, come. Mm-hmm. Sure. Hold this place. It's a Raggly Bridge. Really great, really great. Oh, wiggly. La 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 la. Na 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 na. Why? It's so nice, right? La 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 la. Come back here. Let's go there. Let's find the water play. Come. Come here. Nothing there. Come. I don't know. We'll go and find it. Mm-hmm. And go.
Might be up to one.
Slippery, okay? Be careful. Yung alaga ko na ayaw magchinilas. Thank you. Bees as pollinators.
What is it?
The flower that eats the bees. I think we're at the wrong side now. Go back.
There's a bee here.
Yeah, maybe. Come, let's go.
There's a fox. They watch out for them.
Yeah, you need to watch up on them. Because if not, they will bite you. And it's very painful. Be careful, okay? Maybe it's slippery.
What's that?
There's a bird.
What was it? Is that you?
They are sucking those flower for pollinators.
Do they hurt you?
No, they won't. They are friendly.
They're actually called sparrows.
Yeah, sparrow.
Where's the water play?
I don't know. Also, that's why we'll keep going around so we can find it, but I don't know where. Or maybe you just want to go back at the playground?
No, I want to go back to something else now.
Huh?
I really want to go water play.
But we don't know where the water play is.
Maybe we could ask someone.